Let's take a look at an example of a system of equations that starts with fractions. I oftentimes see people try to work with the fractions and they confuse themselves. So rather than multiplying equation b by -2 and getting -2/3, let's try to eliminate the fractions first thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the least common multiple of each of these equations. So for example, in equation A, we have a 3 and a 4 in the denominator. So the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So I'm going to multiply 12 by equation A. That's going to give me, I'm just going to put it in here real quick. 3 goes into 12 4 times, so we have 8x. 4 goes into 12 3 times, plus 3y equals 12 times 3, which is 36. Don't forget to multiply by that last number. The next one, I notice I have 3, and there's really no fraction here in front of the y, so it's just a 1. So I'm going to multiply 3 by equation b. That's going to give me x plus 3y equals 15. And now that I look at this, maybe I want to multiply by -3, because then my 3y's will go away. So if I multiply through by a negative, we're going to get x, negative x minus 3y equals -15. Adding these together, 8x minus x gives me 7x. The 3y's add to 0, and 36 minus 15 gives me 21. So solving here, dividing by 7, we get x is equal to 3. So now that we have the 3, we can plug it into either A or B, or if we feel confident that we haven't made a mistake, we could plug in one of these. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this 12A. So we have 8 times 3 plus 3y equals 36. 24 plus 3y is 36. Subtracting 24. 3y is 12, and y is 4. So our solution here is 3, 4. The idea here is, rather than trying to work with the fractions, multiply by the least common multiple of the denominators. And that way, when you are actually doing the elimination or the substitution, you're working with whole numbers rather than fractions.